Well, I don't know where to start. And in 2019, I started my own company here in the US. We're testing prototype cars and components, quality assurance, ADAS testing, UX, UI.
Yeah. Body with a vision, garage lights, lane, man. Family around me and the ground feel right. Metal in our hands, got the future in sight. Automotive minds, yeah, we engineer life.
Everything before SOP, this is where we jump in as a company and do the testing for the companies.
Step to a global frame is on one, so generations deep. Value in the roots, promises we keep. That takes a chance. We
materials quality overall, that we already have some kind of like an eye for aesthetics and quality and feel and material and lines and design and everything.
We involved, AMEC in grade, get the standards enrolled. AMEC, and we do this from the ground. Family blood hit the engine sound. Engineer about when we come around, not ordinary. We're extraordinary. AMEC, put the key in, let it run. Decision in the work to the jobs all done. Legacy moving